children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter number 3, a trip to Bhopal, page number 28. Now children, after refilling the buses, the buses are now leaving to Bhimbetka. After the buses are refilled, the journey starts again. Now the children are told that they are stopping at Bhimbetka. Anjani is asking, what is Bhimbetka? Miss Reina is saying that it is a place with lots of caves and cave paintings made by people 10,000 years ago. On this, Sumantu is saying, 10,000 years? I can't even think of 1,000 years back. Gopi is saying on this, oh, 1,000 year is a big thing. I can't even think of 100 years. Now Gauri is saying, I can think of 100 years because my father's grandmother is 100 years old. Manjit is saying on this, that means those caves are almost 100 great grandmothers old. Everybody burst into laughter. Ah ha ha. Now the children are really excited to see the cave paintings. It is about 11 o'clock when they reach Bhimbetka. Now children, keep this 11 o'clock in mind. When they reached Bhimbetka at 11 o'clock. Now see children, the children are busy seeing cave paintings. Wow, even 10,000 years ago people made such lovely paintings, that too on rocks. They were excited and saying, oh, these rocks are thousands of years old. Now children, Shankar is saying this painting also has very big basins. Hey, I got an idea. I will count the basins and you count the deer in the painting. Bhunomala, I will count people. Let us see which are the most, basins, deer or people. Now here this boy is counting basins and he got it 37. Now this girl is counting deer and she got it 117 deer. Now children, they are asking you how many more deer are there than bisons. Bisons. Now see children, bisons are 130, only 37 in number, and deer are 117. Now how many more deer? Means what we have to do here? Subtraction. Now if you subtract 117 minus 37, you will have children. 7 minus 7 will give you 0, and this 11 minus 3 you will have 80. So how many more deer are there than bisons? 80. Now children, but Bhunumala is the happiest because the number of people is even more than the number of deer or bisons together. Here count is less than 200. Now children, how many people must Bhunumala have counted? Now what is the line given here? That the number of people is even more than the number of deer and bisons together. Now if you count these bisons and deer together, deer were 117 plus 37 are bisons. Now if you add these two children, you will have 154, and the number of people is greater than 154 and less than 200. So from these, how many people must Bhunumala have counted? This will not be there because they are less than 200. This is equal to this, so this is also not there. So it must be 177. Understood children? Now the guide tells them that there are 600 cave paintings in all. It is time to leave Bhimbetka. They have spent 1 hour there. What time is it? Now children, at what time they reached Bhimbetka, that I told you to keep in mind. That was 11 o'clock and they spent here 1 hour. So what was the time? 11, if 11 plus 1 hour, if you count, it will be 12 o'clock. Now children, they are now moving towards Bhopal. They should reach there in less than 1 hour, at about 1 o'clock. Okay children? Now the next. Now children, it was a lunch time. The children are hungry by this time, so they take out their lunch packs. Biscuits, orange and bananas are also distributed in all the buses. Each child is to be given one orange, one banana and 5 biscuits. All the children take oranges and biscuits, but 38 children do not take bananas. Now children, they are asking you how many oranges, biscuits and bananas are distributed. Now children, what you do here, you just take this, write this on page and stick it over here. Okay. Now we have to count how many oranges, biscuits and bananas are distributed. So let's count. Now children, the total number of students that went for picnic were 210 and all the children take oranges and biscuits. How many oranges are distributed? Only one. So the count of orange will be 1 into 210, that will be 210. This is the count of orange. Now biscuits, children, how many biscuits were distributed to each child? 5 biscuits into 210. If you multiply this 210 by 5, you will have, children, here on rough work I am doing this, 210 into 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. That is total biscuit distributed were 1050, that is 1050. Now children, we will count how many bananas were distributed. Now children, bananas, out of 210 children, 38 children did not took banana. So the total count of banana will be, see children, here I am doing it subtraction. 10 minus 8 will give me 2. This will become 1 and this 1 will be given to this next number. 10 minus 3 will be 7 and here 1. So total count of bananas is 172. Now children, if you add all these articles, you will have 2, 5 plus 7, 12, 13, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and this 1. So the total number of, now children, the number of oranges, biscuits and bananas distributed are 1432. So we are going to write here 1432. Understood children? This part you have to stick a paper over here for calculation. Now children, Manjeet and Bhanu quickly finish their lunch and start asking puzzles to pass the time. Manjeet is asking, tell me the number which is exactly between 100 and 150. Bhanu, 120? No, 130. No, it is 125. Manjeet says, right. Okay, you ask now. The other children join in. Everyone is asking puzzles questions. Now the first A part is, I gave 4 toffees each to 4 of my friends and 3 toffees are left with me. How many toffees did I have? So let's find children. See, here he gave 4 toffees each to 4 of his friends, means 4 into 4 is equal to 16 plus 3 toffees are left with him. So he had how many toffees? Total 19 toffees he had. Now children, they are telling you to what numbers can you make using 3, 5, 7. Just you can make 357 and 537. What other? So let's make other numbers children. Using these 3 digits, 3, 5 and 7. So children, these are the numbers that we can make using the digits 3, 5, 7. 357, 537, 573, 753, 735, 375. Now children, you might think how madam can do this. Now see children, you can do this. 3 is kept at 100's place, 5, 7. Then the interchanging these places, 7, 5. Now here 5 is kept at 100 place, 3, 7, then 7, 3, interchanging the places. Now here 7 is kept at 100's place and 5, 3, then interchange the places 30, 53 and 35. Understood? In this way you can make these 6 numbers out of these 3 digits. Now children, the C number question is, now children, the C number puzzle is, a number becomes double if it is increased by 8. What is the number? Now children, we have to write here, let the number be x. So if you increase the number by 8, it becomes double. If a number is increased by 8, it becomes doubled. Okay, this is given to you. Now children, this is the equation. You have x plus 8 is equal to 2x, that is doubled. Now see children, you have to put here the value of 1 first. Now if you put x as 1, if you take x is equal to 1, you will have 1 plus 9 is equal to 2, that is not equal. Now again for 2, 3 like this you are going to try, and if you put here x is equal to 8, 8 plus 8 and 2 into 8, that is 16, and here is also 16. So the number is 8. Understood children? So the number is now children, understood this part? Now let's solve the C question, D puzzle. Now children, D number puzzle is, think of the number which can be divided by 2, 3 and 5 and comes between 25 and 50. Now children, to find that number, you have to just multiply 2 into 3 into 5. That you will have 2 3s are 6, 6 into 5, 6 5s are 30. The number that comes between 25 and 50, which is divisible by 2, 3 and 5 is 30. Understood children? 30. How 30? Multiply these numbers together and you will have the answer. Understood? Now children, they are asking you in the next question, a small ant climbs 3 centimeter in 1 minute but slips down 2 centimeter. How much time will it take to climb 2 centimeter? Now see children, if the ant is climbing 3 centimeter, again it is slipping down. Now see children, here the ant is, and here if ant is climbing 3 centimeter, it is slipping down and it is coming again here at 1 centimeter in 1 minute, and it has to go 2 centimeters. So how much time it will take? It will take 2 minutes. Understood children? This is the answer to this question. You children just write these questions on a piece of paper or just write the answers and stick here on the book. Understood? Now I will stop here children. In the next video we are going to see which boat do we take.